Core system libraries failing because of the Media Foundation Read-Write DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. This DLL file is the Media Foundation Reader.writer library. It provides high-level APIs for applications to read and write multimedia files using a variety of codecs and file formats on the Windows OS. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. If the Media Foundation Read-Write DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize and unregistered the Media Foundation Read-Write component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Most individual downloads of the Media Foundation Read-Write DLL are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. Review options for a smoother Windows environment by consulting the diagnostic kit linked below for the Media Foundation Read-Write library references. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Windows OS Core working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.